So we are going to begin by making our granny square. So we are going to firstly make our ring. So slip knots, make a chain of 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go back into the first chain to form a ring. Into the first chain. To form a ring. Chain 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Go back into the ring with a double crochet. So to make a double crochet, you yarn over, go into your ring, pull up. You have this 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2, you have 2. Pull through the last 2. Go into it again, yarn over, go in, pull up, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 2, 1, 2. You have 3 here, so you're going to create another 3 group. That's 1, 2, 3. So you're doing this 4 times. Chain 2 again, make another 3 group of double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain another 2, 1, 2. Now you have 1, 2, 3. So you have the last group. 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the top stitch of your first 3 double crochet. So into this slip stitch. Now you have a square. Chain 2, then cut. First down. Go back into the same stitch. Pull up a strand. Then tie again. And cut. So now this is a square. You're going to go into any cluster, just make sure you're working on the outer part. This is the outer part and this is the inner part. So make sure you're working only on the outer part. Make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, that's 3 because of your chain 3. The first chain 3 counts as a stitch. So now you have 3. Chain 2. Into that same cluster, into the same cluster here, you're going to have another 3 double crochet to complete 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. So now in total here you have 6 double crochets, but you are dividing it by, you are separating it by chain of 2. So this is one, two, three, chain of two, one, two, three. To move to the next cluster, you need to chain one, then move to the next cluster. It's the same thing here. That's three double crochet, chain two, another three double crochet. To move to the next cluster, you will need to chain one again and repeat the same for these two. Two double crochet, chain two, two double crochet. So you're going to repeat the same thing for this. So this is it. Chain one, then slip stitch into the top stitch here. Chain one, then cut. Press down. Go back into the same stitch. Pull up a strand. If you're using two strand yarn, pull up a strand. But if you're using one strand yarn, you can open it up. You go in from anywhere as long as you're working on the outer part. This is the outer part and this is the inner part. You're going to go in with your next color. Extra two double crochets. So now you already know you have four corners, which is one, two, three, four. So where you have your six double crochet is your corner. One, two, three, four. So every corner is still going to have six double crochets. Chain two, then another six, another three double crochet. Chain one to move to the next cluster, which is this. So you place just three double crochet here because it's not the corner. Chain one to move to the next cluster. So now you have your corner space. So create six double crochets. So it's going to be three double crochet, chain two, three double crochet because it's the corner space. Chain one. Next point is just going to carry through double crochet because it's not the corner space. Chain one. Move to the next. Chain two. So you only chain two when you are working on your corner. But anyway, that is not the corner space, you chain one to move next to it. So your chain two is only separating your three double crochet in your corner space. Anyway, that is not your corner space, then it's going to carry just one chain. Chain one to move to the next. So I'm done. I have four rows, one, two, three, four, and kept increasing. So your fourth row should have this, and you should maintain your corners. So I have 4.5 inches for a square. So the length and breadth of each square is 4.5 inches.